is it?
Oh, it's okay.
I hope everyone was in last week. Who was not in? I introduced myself last week. For those who are not in, my name is, you can call me Okero. This is the official name when you want to find. If you have any inquiry, you come to Safo. This is the name I use. I'm going to take you through economics as a topic. Economics. In economics, kila mtu hapa na sahiho, kila mtu anajua uchumi ni ngumu, uchumi ni ngumu. I hope you can relate to that. So in this topic, by the end of this topic, each and everyone know you. And by the end of the lesson, one, you define what is economy. Define what is economics. Define. These are two with my pens today. Okay. By the end of this lesson, each and every of you should be able to define economics. What's the economics? Two, the difference between the needs and wants in economics. Right? And three, the concept of scarcity and how it forcefully, the concept of scarcity, we can say the concept of scarcity in simple terms. The concept of scarcity.
So,
Yes?
it's a concept of scarcity, opportunity and scarcity.
Scarcity and opportunity cost, yeah.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, that one. The concept of scarcity and opportunity. Then, you can also have a look at the economic systems in economy. Economic systems in economy. I hope you wouldn't mind about the handwriting. Economic systems in the economy. So, if we can start, why do we study economics? Economics as a unit. Why do you study economics? Yes, I hope kila mtu ako na hit. This is an easy topic, right? Okay, we can start. You can by raising up your hand. Yes, John.
Proper allocation of resources.
For proper allocation of resources, right? Yes? Yes, sir. For career. As a career, we can study economics as a career, right? That's nice. Next.
To establish the economic position of a country.
Establish
The economic
position
of a country.
Very good. Gender, see men. Why do we study economics as a unit?
So that you can make economic choices effective.
To make economics choices effective. Very nice. And yes,
It affects our day-to-day activities and life.
the economy affects our day-to-day activity because an economy keeps on regarding itself, right?
Yeah.
So it can change and do whatever in any day. We are, I think there are so many. For that one, I think everybody has a hint so far. So we can also define why we study economics. Now, this economics we are studying. What's economics? Economics meaning. As an individual, what's economy?
Economics.
Economics, yeah, economics, yes, Ben.
Economics is a social science that studies how individuals make economic choices with the limited resources and
In simple terms, someone else.
It is the process of
You raise up your hand, thank you, so that I can see you. There are so many definitions when we come to economics. Definitions. Back in the 90s, there are people who defined economic as a unit. There are some people who define what is economy as a unit. Some were Adam Smith. Another one was Alfred Marshall. Then we have Robbins. And Samuel and Sons. Samuel and Sons. These people, when they were defining what's economy, each of them came up a description of by his own terms to define the economics, I mean. So when we start with Adam Smith, Adam Smith was the first one to come up with the definition of economics. And he defined economy as the study of wealth of a nation. That was the definition of Adam Smith. The study of wealth of a nation. The study of wealth of a nation. If we go to Alfred Marshall was also among them. He said that economy is the study of mankind in the ordinary businesses of life. The study of mankind in the ordinary businesses of life. Then we go to Robbins. Akasema, it's a science which studies human behavior as a relationship between the end and scarcity means which have alternative usage in the economy. Finally, we have Samuel and Sons. Akasema, economics is the study of how men and society choose, with or without money, to produce commodities over time and distribute them. So, I hope each and every one of you, if I may be able to test you, one of the writers here has defined economics. So if I can start, Adam Smith. What was the definition of Adam Smith? Economy. The study of wealth or an economy. That's very good. I can see we are all together.
Yes.
So next we are going to the concept of scarcity and choice. Right? I'm not following this order, so it's not the same. We are going to the concept of scarcity and choice. And we can say, because the human wants are limitless, there is need to make choice which involves taking one alternative among the many into which you allocate the resources. I repeat again. Because human wants are limitless, right? There is need to make a choice which involves taking one alternative among the many into which you allocate the resources. The make effective choices one must arrange the need in the order of importance. You arrange with the need of importance. Why do you want that? The importance of that. And we go to characteristics of human mass. Characteristics of human mass. I hope each and every of you has an hint over this. So I will be posing questions to you so that you can tell me honestly. One, what's characteristic? You'll be raising up your hand, it will be better so I can also know you by your name. One, yes, Ben.
The human ones are limitless.
Human ones are limitless. Very correct. Yes.
They vary in urgency and intensity.
They vary in urgency.
They vary in urgency.
Right. Remain be on it.
My name is Sharon.
Good.
They are competitive.
They are competitive. Yes. At the back. Yes, Joe. Right. Yes, coach. They are happy too. Yes.
They are complementary.
They are complementary.
Yes.
Yes, they are competitive. They vary in urgency and the intensity. So, the economic resources. The economic resources. We have the reward of the economic resources. Okay, let me state them. One. What are okay, you can ask what are the economic resources. Some of the examples of the economic resources. An example is land. Example is land.
Capital.
Yeah, capital. Yes. We have land, capital, entrepreneurship, labor, and yeah. What's the word of land?
Rent.
Maybe you will be raising your hands, it will be better. What's the word of land?
Land.
Labor,
Wages.
wages and salaries, very nice. Entrepreneurship,
Profit.
very nice. Capital, interest, very nice. I think so far, we can see we are together. In the economic system, we are going to tackle the advantage of the economic system and the disadvantages. In the economic system, we can say all resources are owned by individuals and make decisions concerning use of resources. Right? Advantages and disadvantages. Because I can see the next teacher is at the door, what I will do as a class, as an individual, as a class level, as a class level, each one of you, we talk about economic system, the advantages and the disadvantages of studying that. And I hope by tomorrow morning I will find that work at my desk at LT01A. That's where I sit. Thank you for your time. I hope next time when we meet, we start from world economy and study there. Thank you. Thank you.